Unlock seamless customer interactions and automated workflows by empowering your virtual assistants with direct voice capabilities. First, you'll need a Twilio account. Once logged in, you'll gain access to your personalized console, which acts as your central hub for all Twilio services, providing a clear overview of your account. Next, navigate to the phone numbers section and acquire a new number. This will be your dedicated line for making and receiving calls through Twilio, connecting your virtual assistant to callers. Now, let's define how Twilio handles incoming calls. You'll create a TwiML bin or a similar voice application. Think of this as a set of instructions that tells Twilio exactly what to do when a call comes in, like playing a message or connecting to another line. Within this application, you'll specify simple actions. For instance, you might instruct Twilio to say a welcome message aloud, or dial another number to connect the caller directly to your virtual assistant's dedicated line. This customizes the caller's experience. With your voice application configured and ready, the final step is to link your new Twilio phone number to it. In the number settings, simply assign your created voice application to handle all incoming calls. Now, give your new Twilio number a call. You should hear the message or experience the actions you defined, confirming that your setup is working perfectly and your virtual assistant is ready to receive calls. This foundational setup is key for true automation. You'll integrate this by triggering calls from your existing virtual assistant platform via Twilio's powerful capabilities, allowing your VA to initiate and manage conversations automatically. Leverage Twilio to empower your virtual assistants, streamlining communication and significantly enhancing your operational efficiency.